Now I'll show you how to pair a mobile. So first of all, we switch Bluetooth on. They're usually really simple to, I've got my screen magnified here, but click on search new. We'll do vehicle to device because that usually generates a random pin code so you don't have to put, like 4 notes in or whatever pin code you're going to use. So it's searching there. It's found my camera and it's found my phone, Barry's iPhone there. So I'll click on Barry's iPhone. To pair and connect phone, enter 4367 on handset. So it's generated a random pin code 4367. Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. I will allow it because I'll be using this car. And connecting to Barry's iPhone 10, and it's connected there. So that's done.